Hi everybody! I wanted to go over drawing just some outdoors pictures. Something we'd see in the outdoors. Something we see every day. So here's the sun. I'm going to put that circle up in the corner with some sun rays. Sun shining down. And I like mountains too, so I'm going to put a couple mountains right here. And if I put a squiggly line at the top, it kind of looks like snow. What else looks good? I'm gonna put a couple birds. They kind of look like seagulls, but I think they're birds. Pretty easy, kind of like an M. I'm gonna put a couple trees on the bottom. Kind of like big pine trees. Then I'll draw a second one right there in the corner, the trunk. And just kind of jaggedy corners to make the leaves on the big tree. Just jaggedy corners right there on the bottom again to make the trunk. Now I'm going to put a couple lines at the bottom just to make it look like grass. Just little short lines, almost like dots. That's my outdoor scenery picture. Looks pretty good. See you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.